In our modern world, where convenience defines our daily lives, the frozen pizza industry stands as a symbol of technology's triumph in food manufacturing, a perfect blend of automation, precision, and flavor preservation. Inside massive automated factories, thousands of pizzas are produced daily, each passing through a mesmerizing dance of machines that transform basic ingredients into the beloved meal millions enjoy at home. The journey begins with precision and balance, where automatic mixers combine flour, water, yeast, salt, and other vital ingredients in exact proportions, ensuring that each batch of dough achieves the same texture, elasticity, and consistency. Within these high-speed industrial mixers, the dough undergoes a thorough blending process until it becomes smooth and pliable, ready to be shaped into the foundation of every pizza, the crust. Once mixed, the dough is transferred to conveyor belts that transport it through a labyrinth of stainless steel systems, each programmed to handle specific stages of production with flawless timing. These belts move rhythmically, carrying the freshly kneaded dough to automated portioning stations, where it is divided into uniform pieces or balls using precision cutters and weighing sensors that ensure absolute consistency in size and mass. The dough balls are then rolled gently through guiding arms and deposited into resting trays where fermentation begins, a critical stage where yeast activates, allowing the dough to rise and develop its unique, airy texture and subtle flavor. As this process unfolds, the factory hums with coordinated energy. Conveyors shift trays, robotic arms lift, align, and rotate components, while monitoring systems check humidity and temperature to guarantee the perfect rise. Once fermentation reaches its optimal point, the dough balls are ready for shaping. Depending on the factory's production line design, shaping can occur in two distinct ways: pressing or rolling. In pressing systems, the dough balls are flattened by automated press plates that descend with calibrated pressure, creating perfectly round pizza bases of uniform thickness. Each press is synchronized with computer systems that monitor pressure, temperature, and dough resistance to ensure that the bases retain their light, elastic structure without tearing. Alternatively, some production lines roll the dough into long sheets, feeding them through a series of rolling cylinders and cutters that slice them into circles. This rolling and cutting method, favored for large-scale production, allows the factory to achieve higher volumes while maintaining identical dimensions across every base. Once the dough has been shaped, it continues along the conveyor, gliding toward the topping section where the true artistry of pizza making unfolds. Here, advanced dispensing machines take over, beginning with the base sauce. Massive tanks filled with rich, slow-cooked tomato sauce feed the lines, where high-precision nozzles apply the sauce evenly over each pizza base. Rotating spreaders ensure smooth coverage, guaranteeing that every bite will be layered with flavor from edge to edge. As the pizzas move forward, the topping phase begins, an orchestra of mechanical precision and culinary design. Measured quantities of toppings such as pepperoni, mushrooms, onions, bell peppers, olives, or sausage crumble from automated dispensers, each ingredient calibrated to fall at just the right moment. Sensors confirm equal distribution, ensuring no pizza receives too much or too little. The toppings are gently settled into place by oscillating arms that mimic the hand movements of a pizza chef, a perfect balance between art and technology. Following the vegetables and meats comes the most beloved layer of all, the cheese. Giant hoppers filled with shredded mozzarella or special cheese blends release perfectly measured amounts across each pizza's surface. These machines are fine, tuned to ensure the cheese spreads uniformly, melting evenly during baking or reheating later in homes around the world. At this stage, the pizzas are fully assembled, and the line transitions toward preservation. For frozen pizza, time and temperature are crucial. The entire assembly line is designed to minimize delays between topping and freezing, ensuring that the freshness, texture, and flavor of every ingredient are locked in. The completed pizzas are conveyed into blast freezers or tunnel freezers, massive chambers where temperatures drop rapidly to sub-zero levels, often reaching -40 degrees C. Inside, powerful fans circulate cold air at high speeds, freezing each pizza within minutes. This rapid freezing process, known as flash freezing, prevents large ice crystals from forming, which helps maintain the dough's softness, the sauce's texture, and the topping's integrity once thawed and baked by consumers. As the pizzas emerge from the freezer, they are solid, neatly stacked, and ready for packaging. A vital final stage ensuring safe transportation and long shelf life. Automated systems transport the frozen pizzas toward wrapping machines, equipped with rollers, heat sealers, and cutting mechanisms that enclose each pizza in protective plastic film. This film acts as a barrier against moisture, air, and contaminants, preserving the pizza's freshness and preventing freezer burn. For brands that prefer cardboard packaging, carton erecting machines assemble flat blanks into sturdy boxes, ready to hold the frozen pizzas. Robots slide
Sealing machines
each wrapped
securely
pizza
close and
into
seal
its
the cartons
designated
using
box,
adhesive tape or
after
hot
which
melt glue.
sealing machines apply adhesive tape or hot melt glue to close them securely. Barcodes and labels are printed and verified using laser scanners to ensure every unit meets product identification standards and regulatory compliance. At the end of the packaging line, automated stacking systems arrange the boxed pizzas onto pallets, which are then wrapped for shipping. These pallets move toward refrigerated storage areas, where they await distribution. Within the cold chain network, refrigerated trucks transport the frozen pizzas across vast distances, sometimes thousands of miles, to supermarkets, restaurants, and households. Through the precision of automation and the science of preservation, what began as a simple mix of flour and water has been transformed into a ready,